Hi guys, welcome back to another rambling video. Don't mind how I'm like this. I just decided to just film this video like this. I got a new package from AliExpress. I wanted to open it and show you guys how it looks like. So one of my sister's packages inside here, but I'll give it to her. Yes, shop it from AliExpress. Let's go. Let's open it. Come on, the piece looks hilarious. See, this is that one. This is hers. I can't open it. She has to open it by herself. This is my sister's. I know the pack is so fine. Let me open this. A nice wear. Yeah. Uh, it's small. I took a small size. You know, I've reduced weight, so I took a small size. It's small. But it doesn't really look small. This is not small. Actually, it looks big. I ordered small, but see what they gave to me. It's a small size and it's actually looking like medium, but this is small. So this is the first one. I'll open the second one. I think I can use this bag, but I should not throw it. Just keep it in case I'm seeing the future or something. I need to put something. Let me open the second one. This one I think is black color. Was this what I ordered? It doesn't fit the description. This one doesn't fit the description. Are you sure this is mine? Because it doesn't fit the description. This is not what I ordered. They gave me something else. This is not what I ordered for. I'll have to return this one. This is not what I ordered for. I'll return this one. It's supposed to be black. So I have to return this one because this is not what I ordered for. I'll return it. So that's it for today's video. Because I remember that I didn't order such. I'll show you what I ordered. This is not what I ordered for. So I'm going to return it because I don't even like it. And it's even extra large they gave to me and I'm not extra large. So maybe it's someone else's package that they carried and gave to me. So I'll have to return this. I'm not taking it. I have to ask for a refund. I have to ask for a refund for this. Yes. Let me show you what I ordered for. I'm coming. I'll show you guys what I ordered for. So guys, this was what I ordered for. This was what I ordered for. So how is this the same thing as this? Because I don't understand. I don't understand. Like, how is it the same thing with this? Like, how like, as in how now? As in how now? As in how? I have to return this because this is not what I ordered for. This is not, I will not accept this. This is not what I asked for. You have to return it. Let me even snap it down. What nonsense is this? What around nonsense is this? This is the first time I've gotten a wrong package. Actually, this is the first time. And it's very bad. What kind of rubbish is this? Yeah? What kind of rubbish is this? What kind of rubbish is this? Huh? What is this? Usuromi. Usuromi. Eh? Because I can't understand. I don't understand. Huh? Because I'm not understanding this. What is this? Because I don't understand. This is not what I ordered. I will post this thing and they have to refund my money because this is not what I ordered. I'm so angry right now. that's where it comes to the end of this video. I'm so as in I don't like this at all. They have to refund me my money because this is not what I asked for. So thanks for watching. Yeah, thanks for watching. I'm complaining right now. Returns,
So what happened was that they
returns,
asked me to snap
refunds.
the
I'm doing it right
package,
now
the
because I don't
nylon it
understand this
came
rubbish.
with,
I don't
and the
understand this
charts,
rubbish.
and they
What's the meaning
refunded
of
back my
this?
money.
Okay, I see you in the next
Hooray!
video.